Hey there guys, this is Ghaleon7 again. How's it going? Today I will be unboxing the first Yu-Gi-Oh pack in 2017 that introduces and supports the Link summons, which is called the Duelist and from Yu-Gi-Oh Vrains. So yeah, before I unbox this, there's actually something that I wanted to announce. That is, I'm going to be giving out 3 random cards inside this box set to one of my lucky subscribers, excluding the cards I need though. I will be taking those out. So yeah, this event will end next week, which is the 26th of April, and I will make a drawing video of our lucky subscribers and 3 cards I will be giving out on the 27th. So yeah, if you simply want to participate inside this lucky draw event, all you need to do is like, subscribe, and comment on the comment section below and tell me about it. So yeah, all of this is going to be mailed to you via normal mail, not the express. It costs a lot, and all you need to do is wait. So yeah, just give me a few more seconds, I'll get through the plastics, so let's get going.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, this is what it looks like inside. There's 30 packs inside and 5 cards in each. So just give me a few more seconds and I'll cut through all the packs, okay? That will make things much more easier. So yeah. Okay guys, so here comes the fun part, okay? So let's get going. I'll choose this side first. Oh, Twilight Swords. Right off the bat, Raiko and Jane. Okay, so here comes the Servant Dragon, Supreme King Servant Dragon. Got Rebellion. Not bad. Oh, Lumina. Here's the rescue card. It looks kinda cute. Well, there's the baby Stargrill. Lila. Oh yeah! We got the Punishment Dragon. Yeah, this is my favorite card. It looks kinda nice. Looks like our favorite Judgment Dragon have a angry brother. Cool. Whoa, another star grill. Right here. Okay, so that's it for this site. Okay guys, I cleared the desk, so let's continue to the second half. So we've had the Punishment Dragon, so can we get the Firewall Dragon? We'll see. Artifacts looks kind of nice. All dice. Oh, Jane. I've had a lot of Jane in this pack. Oh, it looks pretty. Jane again. DDD. Oh, that's new. Jane again, Raikou. Oh, this is like the new Gaia. Cool. Another All Ice. So, last two pack. Can we get the Firewall Dragon? Come on, part of the cards. Rescue Ferret. Last pack. Come on. Okay, never mind. It's a great card anyway. Okay, so that's about it for this unboxing. And another thing. Earlier I did a unboxing video of this Yu-Gi-Oh! Vrains starter deck. So if you haven't watched it yet, so please check it out. So like and subscribe my video please. And yeah, peace out.